All right, you guys, what is going on? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and we are taking a look at a special care package from GFUEL. You guys already saw on X or on Instagram, other creators unboxing this, and now it's my turn. So I got camera 1, I got the top-down shot, camera 2, and I got camera 3 over here, looking from behind the scenes in the way to get a better angle, better shot if the top-down shot cannot get it. But we got Fresh Patch and GFUEL, real grass, real energy. This is crazy. Lay flat and open immediately because it is real grass. So scan to touch more grass. And let's just get right into it. All right, farm fresh, real grass grown in California. Oh my God. Why? Oh wait, there's stuff. There's some writing over here. Hold up. You guys can see that writing. It says farm Fresh Patch and GFUEL. We're bringing the grass to you, not only to touch, but to drink too. Enjoy responsibly. All right. Now, this is insane. Why did they send a fresh patch of grass? Oh, that's crazy. Yep. 100% real grass right here. That is hilarious. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do with this. Actually, I do. I'm gonna give this to my dogs and they could have fun inside. They're definitely gonna pee on this 100%. But that is hilarious. All right. So we also got a GFUEL shaker cup right here. This is just a white clear one. And we got the new flavor, Touch Grass Cucumber Lime. Okay. Click to touch grass. Very nice. And this one is not the GFUEL 2.0 formula, unfortunately. So this one still has the older formula, but regardless, let's try it out. And also use the code TechHD to get 20% off your entire purchase of GFUEL. All right, so now let's go ahead and make some GFUEL and then do it on the grass. Open this bad boy up. Pure green. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that, the cucumber lime color matching the green on the grass. Here we go. All right, so this right here is the GFUEL Touch Grass Cucumber Lime. Cheers, everyone. Top camera, cheers, everyone. And the back camera, where you at? Cheers, everyone. Here we go. Wow. Okay, that actually tastes really good. That's really refreshing, honestly. Wow, that is really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, that has a lot of flavor, very refreshing. I could definitely see some flavors, some other flavors matching really well with this. Oh yeah. This is really good. I didn't expect much from it, but cucumber lime is a really good flavor. Hands down, really, really good. Wow, that is crazy. All right, honestly, one of my favorite flavors. It has a lot of great, amazing taste into it, and it's simple, but still tastes really good. And like, I didn't expect much from it, but it really has a lot of flavor. And that's the key thing, is it's not like watered down or anything like that. I gotta give this a 9 out of 10. This is hands down a really good flavor, so I would definitely try this out. But there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is the GFUEL Touch Grass Cucumber Lime flavor. Absolutely a delicious flavor. I didn't expect much from it, but it is really, really good, and I highly recommend it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below if you guys have tried it out. And of course, use my code TechHD, and that will get you guys 20% off at checkout. Big shout out to GFUEL and Fresh Patch for sending me this actual care package. This is absolutely insane, sending me a fresh patch of grass. I know my dogs are gonna be absolutely insane over this. When they don't have the ability to go outside and play on the grass, they have something indoors to mess around with, and they're gonna make a lot of mess. They're gonna pee on it for sure. I'm gonna regret it, but hey, if it makes them happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.